biggest mistake Toyota and Lexus owners keep making? What if I told you the biggest threat to your Toyota or Lexus engine isn't poor maintenance? It isn't bad quality, and it isn't even a factory defect. It's something millions of owners do without thinking twice. In fact, this one simple mistake is quietly destroying engines that were originally designed to last well over 300,000 to 400,000 miles. And the worst part? Most owners genuinely believe they're doing exactly what Toyota recommends. By the time the warning signs finally appear, it's already too late. And the repair bill? It can easily climb into the thousands of dollars. Today, we're exposing the #1 reason modern Toyota and Lexus engines are failing far earlier than they should. And if you own one of these vehicles, this video could save you from a very expensive mistake. Before we dive in, let's clear up one very important fact. Not every engine failure is caused by poor maintenance. Some Toyota engines have genuine design flaws that no owner can prevent. Take the older 2.4-liter 2AZ FE engine, for example. Many of these engines developed severe oil consumption problems, no matter how carefully they were maintained. More recently, the V35A twin-turbo V6 has also experienced well-known issues, leading to recalls on certain models. In situations like these, maintenance alone isn't enough, because the problem exists inside the engine itself. But today's discussion isn't about defective engines. It's about Toyota and Lexus engines that are fully capable of incredible longevity. Engines that can easily cross 300,000 miles with proper care, but are instead being ruined by one simple maintenance habit: the 10,000-mile oil change myth. If there's one maintenance practice causing more engine failures than almost anything else today, it's the 10,000-mile oil change interval. For years, owners have been told that modern synthetic oil can easily last 10,000 miles. Technically, the oil may survive, but your engine often doesn't. This is where many people misunderstand the difference between what the oil is capable of and what's actually healthiest for the engine over hundreds of thousands of miles. In real-world driving conditions, extended oil change intervals slowly allow contaminants, moisture, fuel dilution, and carbon deposits to build up inside the engine. The damage doesn't happen overnight. It builds silently, year after year. Then one day, an engine that once ran perfectly starts burning oil, loses performance, or develops expensive timing system problems. Why 4-cylinder Toyota engines are most affected? Modern Toyota 4-cylinder engines are especially sensitive to extended oil change intervals. One of the very first systems to suffer is Toyota's variable valve timing system. Dirty oil restricts tiny oil passages that control valve timing. The result? Sluggish performance, warning lights, rough engine operation, and expensive repairs involving oil control valves and VVT components. But that's only the beginning. The much bigger problem is excessive oil consumption. This has become one of the most common issues appearing in high-mileage Toyota engines today. Owners often arrive completely convinced they've done everything correctly. Their vehicles have complete maintenance records. The exterior still looks spotless. The engine has never overheated. Yet somehow, the vehicle is consuming multiple quarts of oil between oil changes. When technicians investigate further, one pattern keeps repeating itself. The engine has followed 10,000-mile oil changes since the day it left the dealership. The difference proper maintenance makes. Interestingly, not every Toyota develops these problems. Some engines continue running perfectly well beyond 300,000 miles without burning a single drop of oil. So what's different? In many of these cases, owners followed much shorter oil change intervals from the very beginning. Instead of waiting 10,000 miles, they consistently change the oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. The result? Cleaner engine internals, less carbon buildup, healthier piston rings, better lubrication, and dramatically longer engine life. This isn't based on one or two lucky examples. Experienced technicians continue seeing this pattern week after week. Two nearly identical vehicles can arrive at the shop with completely different engine conditions, even when they share the exact same engine and nearly identical mileage. The biggest difference is often nothing more than oil change frequency. Why did Toyota recommend 10,000 miles? The answer isn't as simple as many people think. During the late 2000s and early 2010s, automakers began competing to advertise lower maintenance costs. Longer service intervals became a powerful selling point. Manufacturers proudly claimed their vehicles required fewer oil changes, less scheduled maintenance, and lower ownership costs. For new car buyers, it sounded fantastic. But long-term ownership tells a very different story. The real question was never whether the engine could survive 10,000-mile oil changes forever. The real question was whether it could comfortably make it through the warranty period. In many cases, the answer was yes. But Toyota owners expect far more than warranty life. People buy these vehicles because they expect them to remain dependable for decades, not just until 100,000 miles. And that's exactly why proper maintenance matters so much. Mileage isn't the only thing that damages engine oil. Time can be just as destructive. Many owners assume that if they barely drive their Toyota or Lexus, there's no reason to replace the oil every 6 months. Unfortunately, modern engines don't work that way. Every cold start introduces a small amount of unburned fuel into the engine oil. At the same time, moisture begins building up inside the crankcase, especially if the vehicle is only driven for short trips. If that contaminated oil stays inside the engine for an entire year or even longer, it gradually loses its ability to properly protect critical engine components. One engine that's especially sensitive to this issue is Toyota's A25A 2.5-liter engine. When moisture remains trapped inside the oil for months, internal corrosion, sludge formation, and lubrication problems become much more likely. That's why many experienced technicians recommend changing the oil every 5,000 miles or every 6 months, whichever comes first, even if the vehicle has only covered a few hundred miles. Fresh oil is always cheaper than a new engine. Turbocharged Toyota engines need even more attention. If you own one of Toyota's newer turbocharged engines, regular oil changes become even more important. Turbochargers generate tremendous amounts of heat. That extra heat causes engine oil to break down much faster than it would inside a naturally aspirated engine. Even if the vehicle isn't driven often, moisture and fuel contamination continue building inside the oil. Many owners are surprised to see how dirty the oil becomes after only a few months of light driving. That's completely normal for turbocharged engines. Because of these extreme operating conditions, waiting 10,000 miles between oil changes simply isn't worth the risk. A much safer interval is around 4,000 to 5,000 miles, or every 4 to 6 months. The small amount spent on extra oil changes is insignificant compared to the thousands of dollars required for a turbocharger or a complete engine replacement. Why some V6 and V8 engines survive longer? You may know someone who has followed 10,000-mile oil changes for years without experiencing serious engine problems. And yes, that does happen. Toyota's V6 and V8 engines are generally more forgiving than many of the four-cylinder engines. However, more forgiving doesn't mean immune. Extended oil change intervals still increase the likelihood of expensive repairs over time. On many V6 engines, dirty oil can eventually cause variable valve timing problems, sticking oil control valves, noisy valve trains, and collapsing lifters. V8 engines face their own challenges. Some models are known for timing chain tensioner issues that become more common as contaminated oil circulates through the engine over long service intervals. These problems don't always appear at 80,000 or 100,000 miles. Often, they show up much later, after years of accumulated wear. By then, owners naturally assume the engine is simply getting old. In reality, much of that wear could have been reduced with more frequent oil changes. Don't believe every online success story. One of the biggest reasons this topic creates so much confusion is because everyone has a different experience. You'll always find owners saying, "I've followed 10,000-mile oil changes my entire life and my Toyota has never given me any trouble." And that's great. But one vehicle isn't enough to prove a maintenance strategy works for every engine. Professional technicians see hundreds, sometimes thousands of vehicles every year. That larger sample tells a much clearer story. For every owner who reports no issues, there are countless others quietly dealing with oil consumption, sludge buildup, timing system failures, or expensive engine repairs years later. Most people never return to update their old online posts once problems finally appear. That's why relying solely on internet comments can paint a misleading picture. Real-world repair experience often tells a very different story. Why preventative maintenance always wins. Think about the numbers for a moment. Replacing engine oil twice a year may cost somewhere between $150 to $250 annually, depending on where you live. Now compare that to replacing an engine. Modern Toyota engines can easily cost $8,000, $10,000, or even significantly more dollars, especially on hybrid and turbocharged models. Suddenly, those extra oil changes don't seem expensive at all. They're one of the cheapest forms of insurance you can buy for your vehicle. And if you're comfortable working on your own car, many Toyota models make oil changes surprisingly straightforward. With the right tools, quality oil, and a genuine Toyota filter, you can complete the job yourself, save even more money, and protect your engine for the long haul. Choosing the right oil and filter. Changing your oil regularly is only part of the equation. Using the right oil and the right filter is just as important. The safest approach is actually very simple. Always stick with the oil viscosity recommended by Toyota for your specific engine. Modern Toyota engines are engineered around very specific oil grades. Using oil that's thicker or thinner without a valid reason can reduce efficiency and, over time, even affect engine protection. Now let's talk about the oil filter. Genuine Toyota oil filters are still one of the best choices you can make. Are they the most expensive filters on the market? No. Are they the most advanced? Not necessarily. But they are designed specifically for Toyota engines. They provide reliable filtration and deliver the performance these engines were built around. If your Toyota uses a canister-style oil filter, try to keep the original Toyota oil housing as well. Many aftermarket housings may seem identical, but over time, they can create sealing issues, oil leaks, or durability problems. Problems that simply aren't worth the risk. Avoid low-quality bulk oil. Here's another mistake that many owners never even think about: the type of oil being poured into the engine. Many repair shops, and even some dealerships, use bulk oil stored in large tanks. Now, that doesn't automatically mean the oil is bad. The real issue is consistency. Most owners have no idea who actually manufactured that oil, whether it meets Toyota's latest specifications or how carefully it was stored before ending up inside the engine. That's why many experienced Toyota owners prefer using factory Toyota engine oil or a high-quality full synthetic oil from a trusted brand. The goal isn't chasing the world's best oil. The goal is using clean, high-quality oil that consistently meets Toyota's engineering standards. Because in the long run, consistency always beats marketing claims. The simple maintenance plan that works. If you want your Toyota or Lexus to reach 300,000 miles or even more, you don't need expensive upgrades, and you definitely don't need miracle additives. You simply need a maintenance routine that puts long-term engine health first. Here's the formula. Change the engine oil every 5,000 miles or every 6 months, whichever comes first. If your vehicle has a turbocharged engine, reduce that interval to around 4,000 to 5,000 miles, especially if most of your driving consists of short trips. Always use the correct oil viscosity recommended by Toyota. Install a genuine Toyota oil filter whenever possible. And avoid unknown or low-quality bulk oil if better alternatives are available. These may seem like small decisions, but repeated consistently over the life of the vehicle, they make an enormous difference. Final thoughts. Despite what some headlines may suggest, Toyota hasn't suddenly forgotten how to build reliable vehicles. Yes, a few engines have experienced genuine design issues. And yes, modern vehicles are more complex than ever before. But the vast majority of Toyota and Lexus engines are still capable of delivering exceptional longevity if they're maintained properly. Far too often, the engine gets blamed when the real problem is neglected maintenance or oil engine that stayed inside far longer than it should have. Reliability isn't something that's guaranteed forever. It's something that's earned through consistent care. Take care of your engine right from the beginning, and there's an excellent chance it will reward you with hundreds of thousands of dependable miles. Call to action. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the Auto Rev for more in-depth automotive insights, reliable maintenance guides, and practical tips that can help your vehicle last for years.